So, you've heard about YNAB, the budgeting app that's been making waves in the personal finance world. But have you ever wondered if it's worth the price tag? Today, we're diving deep into the question, is YNAB actually a paid app? And if so, is it worth the investment? Before we get into the specifics, let's quickly understand what YNAB is and how it works. YNAB stands for You Need a Budget, and it's a budgeting method that focuses on spending your money on things that truly matter to you. The app is designed to help you track your income, expenses, and savings in a way that's both simple and effective. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Is YNAB a paid app? The short answer is yes. YNAB is a subscription-based app. You can choose from monthly or annual subscription plans. Benefits of YNAB. But before you dismiss it as too expensive, let's explore the benefits that YNAB offers. Here are a few reasons why many people find the subscription fee worthwhile. Comprehensive budgeting. YNAB provides a robust framework for tracking your income, expenses, and savings. It helps you categorize your spending, set financial goals, and stay accountable. Debt management. If you're struggling with debt, YNAB can be a valuable tool. It helps you prioritize your debt payments and create a plan to pay it off as quickly as possible. Financial education. YNAB goes beyond simple budgeting. It provides educational resources and tools to help you improve your financial knowledge and make informed decisions. Community support. The YNAB community is active and supportive. You can connect with other users, share tips, and get advice on budgeting challenges. Is YNAB worth the cost? Ultimately, whether YNAB is worth the cost is a personal decision. If you're serious about improving your financial situation and are looking for a comprehensive budgeting tool, YNAB may be a worthwhile investment. However, if you're on a tight budget, there are free budgeting options available. Alternatives to YNAB. Here are a few free budgeting alternatives that you might want to consider. Mint, a popular free budgeting app that offers features like tracking your spending, setting financial goals, and monitoring your credit score. PocketGuard, another free app that helps you track your spending, set budgets, and avoid overspending. EveryDollar, a simple budgeting app that focuses on tracking your income and expenses and creating a monthly budget. So, is YNAB a paid app? Yes, it is. But is it worth the cost? That depends on your individual needs and priorities. If you're looking for a comprehensive budgeting tool that can help you improve your financial situation, YNAB may be a valuable investment. However, if you're on a tight budget, there are free alternatives available. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.